Lasagna. Just the word conjures up images of bubbling cheese, rich meat sauce, and tender pasta. It's a dish that's been enjoyed for generations, and for good reason. This Italian classic is pure comfort food. Whether it's a family gathering or a simple weeknight dinner, lasagna always hits the spot. But what makes the ultimate lasagna? It's all about the layers. Layers of flavor, layers of texture, all coming together in perfect harmony. In this guide, we'll break down the process step by step, so you can create a lasagna that will have everyone coming back for seconds. So, let's get started. The heart of any good lasagna is the meat sauce. It's the foundation upon which all the other flavors are built. We'll start by browning some ground beef in a large pan over medium heat. Once the beef is browned, drain off any excess grease. Now, it's time to add in the aromatics. Finely chopped onions and garlic go in next, cooking until softened and fragrant. A good glug of red wine adds depth and richness to the sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes to cook off the alcohol. Then, add in crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and your favorite Italian herbs and spices. Bring the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. The longer it simmers, the better it tastes. While the meat sauce simmers, let's prepare the cheese filling. This creamy mixture adds a delightful richness to every bite. In a large bowl, combine ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, and an egg. The egg helps to bind the mixture and adds richness. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. Mix everything together until well combined. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or basil. This cheese filling will be layered between the noodles and meat sauce, creating a symphony of flavors. Section 4. Layering the lasagna. A symphony of textures. Now comes the fun part, layering. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and grab your lasagna dish. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of the dish. Next, add a layer of lasagna noodles, overlapping them slightly. Top the noodles with a generous layer of the cheese mixture, spreading it evenly. Repeat these layers. Meat sauce, noodles, cheese, 2 more times. For the final layer, spread the remaining meat sauce over the top, ensuring it covers the cheese completely. Section 5. Baking and serving. The final touches. Cover the lasagna dish tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. The foil helps to trap steam and ensures that the lasagna cooks evenly. After 45 minutes, remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the top is golden brown. Once baked, resist the urge to dive in right away. Let the lasagna rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before serving. This allows the layers to settle and the flavors to meld even further. Serve your ultimate lasagna with a simple green salad and some crusty bread for soaking up all that delicious sauce. Enjoy!